everyone, I'm Sumi. Welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project, where I show you how to make delicious vegan Indian food. Today I'm going to show you how to make a basic Ayurvedic style khichdi. This is a great recipe as we're going into the colder months, and it'll make sure to keep your immune system up. So let's get cooking. To make our khichdi, here I've taken around half a cup of split yellow mung beans and half a cup of white basmati rice that I've combined in this bowl, and I'm going to rinse this under cold running water to get rid of any excess starch. Now that this is done, I'm going to soak my rice and lentils in cold water for around 15 to 20 minutes. This will make sure the khichdi is easier to digest. Here I have a pot on medium-high heat to which I'm adding around a tablespoon of coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I just like the flavor of coconut oil because it's so rich and creamy. Now that the oil is hot, I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 small sticks of cinnamon, 2 cloves, and I'm going to mix this for around 10 to 15 seconds. To this, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, an inch of ginger that's been finely chopped, and half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder that's been roasted. I'm going to cook this for around 5 to 10 seconds because we don't want to overcook our spices. To this, I'm going to add the strained rice and lentils. Cook this in the oil and spices for around 3 to 4 minutes till it starts to get a nice roasted smell. It's been 4 minutes and now it's time to add our water. For 1 cup of greens and lentils, I'm going to add around 3 cups of hot water. I'm going to wait for this to come to a bubble, reduce the heat to low, and cover with the lid and cook for around 35 to 40 minutes till everything is completely cooked. At the 20-minute mark, you want to make sure that your khichdi still has a soup-like consistency, and if it's too thick or if it's sticking to the bottom, just add a little more water, give it a mix, and close the pot once again. Leaving the salting to the end, make sure that your lentils and rice cook uniformly. So it's been exactly 40 minutes, and as you can see, my khichdi has a really nice consistency and everything is cooked through perfectly. I'm going to ladle into my pot here, add some cilantro for a garnish, and also give it a squeeze of lemon for that extra flavor. And that's the finished dish. For anyone who's tried a juice cleanse or is just looking to reset your body, I highly recommend a khichdi cleanse, for which I have more information down below. This is just a more holistic way to detox your body and give it the nourishment it needs without having to starve yourself of anything. Let me know if you tried this out in the comments below, and please like and subscribe because I come out with new videos every Sunday, and I'll see you another time with another dish. Bye.